Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice word problem. The question is, what is 60 divided by half minus 3? Okay. So here a lot of people made the mistake of thinking it and doing it in their head, and they thought that the answer for this one is 0. If you also think so, then you're absolutely wrong. So first what we should do is let's try to put this entire question in its mathematical form. So this will look like what? 60 divided by half minus 3. Okay. Now understand, whenever there is a division sign involved, okay, so you will follow the rule of what? KCF. Now what does KCF means? K stands for keeping the first number as it is. C stands for changing the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flipping or reciprocal of the next number. So reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 minus 3. So this comes out to be 12 minus 3. So answer is nothing but what? 9. Okay. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.